30 million users in just 24 hours of launch. Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, has declared war against Twitter with their new app, Threads.
A new social media platform is taking the world by a storm.
Facebook parent company Meta has launched a platform to compete with Twitter.
Yes, we had plenty of social media platforms before, but there was only one Twitter.
You know what? I downloaded it and played around for some time with it. And I mean, this is it. This is the future of social media. This is the fastest growing social media platform ever. Okay, let me give you some context. Netflix took 3.5 years to cross 1 million users. Twitter took 2 years to cross 1 million users. Facebook, 10 months. Instagram, 2.5 months. ChatGPT, 5 days. And Threads, 1.5 hours. 1 million users in 1.5 hours. Can you believe it? The excitement level for this new app is unreal and unlike anything I've seen before. But why? I mean, people were also crazy about ChatGPT, but it was nothing close to this. लोग literally पागल हो रहे हैं जैसे कुछ एकदम ही नया आ गया है, which is not at all true. It's the exact replica of Twitter. Twitter को पूरा copy paste कर दिया है, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Like things have gotten so bad that Twitter is threatening to sue Facebook for copying their entire Twitter's format.
Twitter is threatening legal action against Meta over its new text-based social media app called Threads. The company accusing Meta of poaching former employees to create what it calls a copycat application.
And this is not the first time Zuckerberg is doing this. Facebook stole the concept of MySpace. Instagram stole the concept of stories from Snapchat, stole the concept of direct messaging from WhatsApp and created Messenger. And of course, copied the concept of short videos from TikTok and created Instagram Reels. TikTok India से ban हो गया और इन्होंने short video content का पूरा market capture कर लिया. But there are some fundamental questions here. How is it special and how is it different from Twitter? Or what is Zuckerberg's plan behind launching a completely new app? And finally, can Threads replace Twitter? All you need to have is an Instagram account to create your Threads account. One bonus tip for sharing your Threads ID, you just have to go to Instagram search and type Threads and you will see this instant blue icon pop up on the top right corner. Just tap on it and you will get your own classy Threads card. So you can screenshot it and share it on other social media platforms. It looks very classy honestly. But Elon Musk hasn't said much about it. He just posted a laughing smiley but nothing beyond that. Meanwhile, Zuckerberg is taunting Musk. His last post on Twitter was back in 2012. But today, after 10 years, he tweeted again with a famous meme. And if you know, you will get the reference of the meme. In a response to the tweet citing this news, Twitter owner Elon Musk said, quote, "Competition is fine, cheating is not." Oh, things are getting heated up. But what's about all this hype with Threads? Because it is in the right place at the right time. People just hate Twitter now. These past few months, all I've seen people say is that Elon Musk has ruined this app, or Twitter is not the same place it used to be. They have even increased the number of ads. Tweets से ज़्यादा तो ad दिखने लगा है. मतलब हर पोस्ट के बाद एक ad आ ही जाता है. अरे? And they have even limited the number of tweets you can see in a day. Of course, unless you pay to increase that limit.
Owner Elon Musk is now imposing a limit on the number of tweets users can view each day.
Owner Elon Musk has announced reading limits.
Twitter rolled out another change today following this weekend's new restrictions for some users.
Threads on the other hand has no ads, like zero. They're not even thinking about monetization until the app reaches 1 billion users. And because it's linked to your Instagram account, you don't have to pay for verification. It automatically transfers to Thread for free. Of course, if you have a blue tick. मेरे पास तो नहीं है, मेरे को नहीं पता. But the question is, how did Threads manage to create all this hype around it? One thing that's really hard for a new platform is creating community. The special thing about Threads is, anytime one of your Instagram followers signs up for Threads, they will automatically start following you. Like, although it's a completely new platform, you don't have to start fresh. I can't believe I'm saying this, but people have literally chosen Mark Zuckerberg over Elon Musk. And Zuckerberg has also figured out a way to give people FOMO, matlab fear fear of missing out. You actually get numbered for how quickly you sign up for your Threads account. So my number is 91,43,015. It's like I'm in school again. जो पहले आएगा उसको first prize, जो second आया उसको second prize, and whatever you are given, it's your number permanently. So there was a rush to be in the first million, and then there is a rush to be the first 10 million. Honestly, it's going to be really hard for people to start all over again. If you're not active on Twitter, then that's fine. That's not an issue for you. But some people have spent years on Twitter, creating that following, tweeting every day and all. और Twitter और Instagram के audience बहुत different है boss. Twitter users are more like intellectual and smart people discussing about politics and stock market and all. And Instagram is basically for pretty and dumb people. People doing makeup tutorials or lip syncing on trending music. Twitter का vibe ही अलग है. I don't think Twitter की main audience कभी threads पे आ पाएगी. Okay, pause. If you're finding this video useful, by the way, did you know you can subscribe to the channel? Just like Threads is trying to reach 1 billion users, I'm also trying to reach 1k subs, man. Okay, now let's talk about why did Meta launch Threads? I mean, there's Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, why another app? Here's what I think. The thing is, Meta hasn't done anything new since Instagram, which launched back in 2010. And Instagram today is not at all what it used to be. Instagram was a way to keep in touch with your friends via photos, videos and all. But now it has become just another attention-grabbing platform. It has become TikTok 2.0. It has become just like another vertical video app filled with vulgar content and girls dancing on music. And Meta's other main social media platform, Facebook, it's even worse. और Facebook use ही कौन करता है वो बुढ़े अंकल आंटी को छोड़ के. So they need something new, and we all know how much people hated Zuckerberg's last idea, the metaverse. Now Meta is trying to do what exactly Apple does. Apple builds a smartphone first, then build earphones, Apple watches, etc. so that the users of iPhone also use these additional devices. Meta is also trying to do the same thing. They are transferring Instagram's audience to Threads. So if this app beats Twitter at some point, can you imagine how powerful Meta as a company will be? I mean, other than YouTube, there will be only 3 main social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram and Threads. And all 3 of those owned by Meta. Just imagine, this is complete monopoly. But I'm not really interested in Threads right now. Here are the reasons I don't prefer Threads over Twitter. Number 1, the interface. In Twitter, there's a default timeline which has different kinds of content. And then there's the following tab where you can see content from people you follow. But Threads has only one tab, like everything in one page. Sometimes you just want to see content from the people you follow or check out on your friends. Well, of course, I would have known if I had any friends. Anyway, the design is pretty similar to Twitter and also has a resemblance of Instagram. Now, as you can probably tell, it's not customizable and it's not very fun to look at. Me being an experienced web designer, there's a plenty I would change, but I think the fundamentals are right, and give them some time, they'll eventually fix everything and make it better. Give them some time, bro. Like, it's been just 2 to 3 days, I guess they've launched the app. Anyway, number 2, data privacy. Now, privacy and Facebook just don't get along, no matter how much Zuckerberg tries to convince you otherwise. While you sign up for Threads app, you will see it needs information about your purchase, where you go throughout the day, your search history and everything. Seriously, they need all this to show you just few lines of text? The fact that Threads is a free app from a company that needs to make money and it's not even monetized yet, it's obviously gonna make money off your data, bro. And Meta already has a track record of using people's data in weird ways and giving it to advertisers. Number 3. Nothing special. Honestly, the reason of this success is just good timing and good marketing. Outside of few minor things, Threads is nothing special. It's just another microblogging platform. And it doesn't really bring much to the table compared to its main competitors like Twitter, Blue Sky, Mastodon. So honestly, the main question, can Threads kill Twitter? Looks like it can. I mean, Twitter has less than 500 users, but remember, Instagram has 2.35 billion users. And if even 1/4 of those users join Threads, it's already bigger than Twitter. I mean, it's not a new thing for Meta. Facebook killed MySpace, Instagram killed Snapchat, basically by copying their features and making it better. Let's see if it can do the same thing with Twitter. Till then, go follow me on Threads. Come on, bro. I'm shamelessly promoting myself. As you know, Meta is trying to steal Apple's master plan. So watch this video right here to know about the Apple's latest product, Apple Vision Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.